Copper die-cast rotors. The electrical efficiency of motors can be improved by replacing the standard aluminum electrical conductor in the motor rotor with copper, which has a much higher electrical conductivity. Today, copper pressure die casting is a proven technology. The thousands of die cast copper motor rotors are produced annually for motor application where energy saving are prime design objectives. This is the general diagram of energy efficient motor in front of you where the copper rotor is showing. The use of copper in place of aluminum conductor bars and end rings of the induction motor rotor results improve the motor efficiency due to significant reduction in I square R losses. Manufacturer demonstrated that copper rotors yield overall rotor losses have reduction from 15 to 20% while compared with aluminum rotors. Copper rotor generate less heat and reduce thermal stresses, including those on insulation, which enable them to operate longer. Due to electrical conductivity increased, simply the motor will reduce the losses. Since the size reduces, overall manufacturing cost will be lower. Standard scenario for energy efficient motors. The standard making body in the India, Bureau of Indian Standard, first introduced an exclusive standard for energy efficient motors in 1989 by IS 12615, which covered 4 pole motors up to 37 kilowatts. After regular improvement, Bureau of Energy Efficiency launched its voluntary labeling plan in 2007 based on the standard IS 12615 2004. The labeling plan had limited access since awarded voluntary endorsement label of EF1 to eligible applicants. Based on the label, EF2 shows improved efficiency and EF1 as high efficiency. Revised standard IS 12615 2011 has been finalized and published in August 2011 with the features that the range covered are from 0.37 kilowatt to 375 kilowatt for 2, 4 and 6 poles. Intermediate ratings are considered based on the Indian market. The efficiency classes are in the line with the 60034 30 termed as IE1, IE2 and IE3. The other performance parameters like starting torque and starting current are considered and specified for all three levels. BIS and BEE have been working with all the stakeholders to implement this standard by addressing the barriers and planning a way forward to move toward premium efficiencies in the next 3 to 5 years and compete in the global market. Thank you very much.